Fix constant drain on a standard RO water systems. In a standard reverse osmosis water filtration system, water flows through various components, including an automatic shutoff valve and a check valve. These valves control the water flow and shut off the system when the storage tank is full. However, a constant drain issue can occur due to several factors, such as a faulty automatic shutoff valve, a sticky or blocked check valve, an under-pressurized tank bladder, low incoming water pressure, or a damaged RO membrane. Troubleshoot. Before we begin, please check the inlet water pressure and RO membrane condition. Ensure your water pressure is at least 45 psi and verify that the membrane is in good condition. Replace it if it has not been changed in years or shows signs of damage. Ensure the water storage tank is full and the tank valve is open. Shut off the feed water to the system. Disconnect the drain tube from the drain saddle to check for water flow. This confirms whether there is indeed a constant drain problem. Observe if the draining stops or continues. If the draining continues, we recommend replacing the automatic shutoff valve and the check valve at the same time. Please proceed to valve replacement section in the video. If the draining stops, the automatic shutoff valve and the check valve are functioning correctly, then you should proceed to check the tank pressure. First, shut off the feed water to the system. Turn on the faucet to empty the tank. Check the tank pressure with a low pressure gauge. Ensure the empty tank pressure is between 7 to 10 psi. Repressurize the tank if the pressure is low. Replace the tank if it does not hold the pressure. Valve replacement. Ensure the feed water to the system is off. Shut off the tank valve. Turn on the drinking water faucet to release pressure and water inside the system. Locate the automatic shutoff valve on the machine head, which has a thick high-pressure side and a thinner low-pressure side. Identify the inlet and outlet marks before installing the new valve. Replace the tubing one at a time to avoid confusion. Ensuring all tubing is inserted half an inch deep into the fittings. And secured with locking clips. Locate and identify the check valve near the RO membrane housing's purified water port. A check valve can be a built-in or add-on valve. Remove the faulty valve and install a new one. Reconnect the tubing by inserting it half an inch deep and lock the tubing in place with locking clips. System startup. To start the system, turn on the feed water, shut off the tank valve, and turn on the drinking water faucet. Let the water fill the system until steady trickles from the drinking water faucet. Check for leaks. Then, shut off the drinking water faucet and open the tank valve. The system should now operate normally. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you.